Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily English Practice. English Stories for Beginners. In a large forest in India, there lived a clever lion. He was strong and fast, and every animal feared him. Every day, the lion hunted and ate one animal. The animals stayed far away from him and hid when they heard his roar. One day, the lion walked for hours but could not find food. He was tired and hungry. His stomach growled loudly. "This is strange," he said. "Where have all the animals gone?" He kept walking and finally saw a small cave at the foot of a hill. The cave was quiet and dark. The lion thought. Maybe an animal lives here. If I wait quietly, the animal might return. Then I can catch it. The lion smiled to himself and entered the cave. He hid deep inside, lying very still, and waited. The cave's owner returns. The cave belonged to a clever jackal. The jackal had gone out early that morning to look for food. After eating some fruits and berries, he returned in the afternoon. As he came close to his home, the jackal saw something strange. There were lion paw prints leading into the cave, but no footprints coming out. The jackal stopped suddenly and became very alert. He thought, "This is not normal. Who entered my cave? Why didn't they leave?" The jackal was clever. He knew if he went inside, the lion might be hiding there, ready to eat him. But he also knew that if he ran away too quickly, the lion might chase him. So, he came up with a smart plan. The jackal talks to his cave. The jackal stood outside and called loudly. "Hello, cave. Hello, my friend. Why are you so quiet today?" The lion heard this and was surprised. "What? The jackal is talking to the cave." The jackal continued, "Every day when I come home, you greet me with a hello. Today you are silent. Is something wrong?" The lion, who was not very clever, thought, "Oh no. The cave always talks to the jackal. If I stay quiet, the jackal will know something is wrong. I must make the cave speak." So, in a deep voice, the lion shouted, "Hello, jackal. Come inside, come inside." The forest became silent. The clever jackal smiled to himself. Now he knew for sure there was a lion hiding in his cave. He laughed and said loudly, "You fool. Caves don't talk. I tricked you." Then the jackal ran away as fast as he could and disappeared into the forest, safe and happy. The lion's mistake. The lion roared in anger. "Stupid jackal," he shouted. "He tricked me. I missed my meal again." He came out of the cave, but the jackal was already gone. From that day on, the lion never trusted caves or waited inside one again. And the jackal? He told all the animals in the forest how he escaped the lion using his brain, not his strength. Moral of the story: even the weak can defeat the strong with cleverness. Subscribe to the channel for more stories.